back again. I'm gonna just start living here, I guess. I come here every day now. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Back here at 412 Motorsports. Once again, I've literally been here like 3 days in a row, guys. 3 days in a row, and always staying like till like midnight every night. We got Trev's E36, my E46. Today is day one, pretty much, of the build. The first day, we're gonna get our hands on it and start doing some stuff. So today's plan, we're gonna get the whole interior, take out the seats, take out the rear seats, hopefully take out the carpet, pretty much everything that's in here, everything on the door. I think Sam wants to get rid of these windows. Pretty much everything has to go. Yesterday, me and Trev washed both the cars, so I'll put that footage in right here when we cleaned it all. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. We're both about to have drift cars. E46 M3, and we got an E36. Bro, it's crazy, they're kind of like the same step right now.
It is.
We're about to build them at the same time. Now we both got cars to work on, both projects, and both drift cars. I don't think the cars have ever been washed, so definitely gonna look a lot better. I'm trying to make Trev start his vlog channel. Well, he already started it. But we need to do, since we're both building them around the same time, I think it'll be sick if we both make videos on the cars. I'm sure people want to see the E36 build, and some people want to see the E46 build, so it's gonna be sick. Sign Trev, it still doesn't hit me that I have an E46 now. We're actually gonna build an E46. It's crazy. There you go. All right, guys, quick update. The rear seats are out. We're trying to take off that back lid. We're also trying to take off the seats. It's kind of hard though, because we can take out the front bolts, but the bolts in the back are underneath the rail, and we can't just scoot the seat forward because the battery is not even plugged in. So I don't know how we're gonna get the seats out, but the rear seats are out. It's starting to look like a race car. I don't want to scratch your car, Trev. No, I already hit it. It's fine. All right, both seats are out the car. Finally. Woo! Now it's really looking gutted in here. This car once had full interior, and now it's gone. Bro, look at this thing. Guys, I think we might take it to 7-Eleven. We're all about to jump in the back of this thing. Taking a little break from that. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna get in here. I can't believe we're really in here. Bro, this thing is so tall. Look how low our cars look. Dude, we're so close to the M3. Yo. I'm so happy in this thing. It makes a freaking Suburban look small. Guys, just imagine we get pulled over right now. What do you think a cop would tell us? It's street legal? Street legal my ass. Shit. Hell yeah, brother! We can legit run that car over if we wanted to. Look at this shit, dude. Bro, that thing is huge, dude. Look at it compared to the E30. How big this thing is. The E30 can literally park under it. Look at the whips. The two M3s. One day, mine will look like this. He told me we don't need any of this stuff. None of these wires. Everything can come off because it's gonna be a full race car, literally. What? Bruh. Look at all this stuff. We're out here cutting wires and everything. What the heck? Trev's almost done already. Yeah. Guys, what should we do to mine? Should we paint it or not? Paint definitely does make the car like look a lot cleaner.
Look at these two project cars. 3. Oh my god, this is thermal.
I know this one actually doing another project too. I think that one's.
This one for?
I'm not sure. I think a customer, but I think it's gonna be the same thing. S52 single turbo.
Dude, they're gonna be
right?
sick.
What is engine is going
That
in?
would fucking smoke all of you.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Really?
E30, man.
Yeah.
The same engine or what?
Generations, old school.
Yeah, E30, 36,
All the way
E46.
to yeah.
Oh my god! I just noticed that, bro.
46.
So guys, I want to do my engine bay too. I just don't know what color to do. The car's gonna be wrapped some kind of color or some kind of livery. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I just want to clean this up. It does look a lot nicer with paint, as you guys can tell. That's crazy, bro. Trev went in today. He stripped the whole entire engine bay and painted it. I'm thinking like all white, all gray, or just go all gloss black. This shit looks mean. I don't know if you guys remember that red M4 that crashed in one of my vlogs. Well, this is his new whip. He definitely upgraded. Upgraded to an M4 CS, dude. That shit's so loud, bro. I love the black though. Later, bro. Holy shit. God, dude. Did we trade it in for an M4? If you guys are interested in this, I've seen a couple comments saying that they wanted black interior or my steering wheel and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna be partying out a lot of this stuff, so if you want anything, DM 412 Motorsports. They'll work out a price for you. You can come over here and pick it up and all that good stuff. So if you guys want any of this interior pieces, any of the stuff that we take off that car or Trev's car, DM 412, and we have a lot of parts for sale. She's about to do a donut. Sam's wife. Damn, that was sick. That sounds sick, dude. Guys, now it's day 3, I think. I'm gonna put all the vlogs together because I don't think I have enough footage, but today's goal is to completely gut this car. Once this car is all gutted, I think we're gonna send it off to get a roll cage, which is gonna be freaking sick. But look at, I brought the E92 today with the bike on the roof. Maybe take off the bike so we can ride it later.
We're gonna pull all the wiring out. All of it? All of that shit out. This car's gonna have no interior, nothing. No electric, no fuse box, nothing. No fuel. And pull the dash out today too.
Okay.
That's how it goes and get a roll cage. Hit the brake.
I don't know how to anymore.
What, there's no front brake?
No. There is no e-brake.
There's
no e-brake either.
I'm more excited than my fucking car. It's badass.
M3?
I love the chassis so much. E46 M3 is the sickest fucking chassis.
I love E46. That'd be too nice.
Yeah, and then you won't drift it. Nah, you're ripping the fuck out of this.
Wait, don't put it on, I'm coming. Yeah, put it down on the floor, nice.
Bro, look at this thing. I hope Sam knows how to put it back together, bro.
What kind of dumb questions?
This shit is crazy, dude.
You don't need these.
Oh my god. Look at this. This is crazy. We don't need any of this. Oh. We're almost done. We just need to get all these wires out. All these wires need to go. I need air. No, I don't need heat.
Is that the temp sensor?
I don't know, man.
For real, bro? You trying to scratch the car, bro?
That was you, bro. This is crazy, bro.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
You're definitely sweeping and vacuuming before you leave.
I will.
What?
Sounds crazy.
Sam is the man.
Dude, this car once had full interior. Now look at it.
Aw, are you hurt?
I'm kind of sad.
Hell yeah, brother. French cutter. Wrong drawer. Wrong drawer. Wrong drawer. Wrong drawer. Fuck. Where the fuck he put his cutters at? I should never be a mechanic. You guys see orange cutter? Oh, cutters right here.
This is so crazy. Some of you guys probably have never seen this stuff in your life. I haven't either.
Don't touch the stuff. You gotta work on them.
Go put some shoes on.
These are shoes. I have steel toes.
You're gonna break another steel toes? It looks a lot more cleaner. No more wires, no more interior whatsoever, no more dash. It's almost ready to put a roll cage in here. I think we're gonna dry ice. I've never done it before, but I've seen videos. Put dry ice on all this sound deadening thing to make it super clean. Then we can paint it all white. I think we're gonna do a white cage in here. I'll put a picture right here of how really clean interior looks, all white with none of this little sound deadening stuff. Once the roll cage is in and it's all painted, the engine base painted, it'll be ready to put seats in, the dash back in, and it's gonna look like a race car. Like this picture right here. That's goals. I think we're gonna go try to find some dry ice or what?
Yeah, we found some.
Okay, let's go. How are we gonna carry it back?
Just get your bike. Don't worry about it.
He wants me to ride my bike. Found it.
You
Dry
brought
ice.
this with you.
Sam's going straight to it. Oh shit. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Taking everything off. All this sound deadening. Look at this shot, guys. Dude, the car is legit cold in here. It feels like we're in a fridge. Crazy, huh? We literally gutted this whole entire car in one day, which is freaking crazy. Almost 10 o'clock and we still out here. And we're literally going all out on this car. This car is gonna be insane when it's done. Literally, it feels like I'm building like a SEMA car or something. And it's super sick. Sam's putting in a lot of work. Everybody's putting in a lot of work in this car. And it's super dope how I get to put my own hands on it and do stuff myself. I feel like I'll appreciate it way more once it's done. The shop looks destroyed all because of me. We're gonna clean this stuff up and then probably call it a day. We out. Look at that E30.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that.